Are you struggling to add clean professional dimensions and annotations in Revit? You are not alone. In the next few minutes, I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your floor plan into a clean professional drawing using dimensions, text, and annotations step by step. By the end of this video, your plan will go from this plain plan to this fully annotated professional plan. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. Step 1. Open your floor plan. Open your project and go to your floor plan view. Click on floor plan under the project browser. Make sure your walls, doors, and windows are already placed. To work faster in Revit, smooth navigation is the key. I recommend this Logitech wireless mouse and the multi-device keyboard. This helps you move, click, and control your workflow efficiently, especially when placing dimensions precisely. Step 2. Add aligned dimensions. Click on Annotation, then click on Aligned Dimensions. You can simply type DI in your keyboard. Now click on two walls and place your dimensions. Let's select this wall and this wall. Click on an empty space. We have the dimension here. Repeat this for all major wall distances. Let's dimension this. We have the same thing here. Let's have this. Pick here and here. Same thing here. Repeat this same process for all the internal walls. Always make sure your dimensions are clean and evenly spaced. Now let's dimension the external walls. We are going to start with this. Let's pick the windows. We pick this door, pick this wall, and the last one here. Click on an empty space. Now the next one is the wall thickness. Select the walls. Select this also. Let's have this wall too. Okay, last one. Click on an empty space. Let's pick the partitions. Let's pick this one. This is the next partition here, and the last one here. Let's dimension this other axis. The first one is the doors and the windows. Okay, let's place it here. Now let's pick the walls. Okay, now let's pick the partitions. Okay, now repeat the same process in all the sides. When dimensioning your model like this, if you make any mistake in the dimension, you don't need to delete or start afresh. That's why I made this video on how to edit dimension lines. I will leave the link in the description section for you to check it out. It really helps in case you make any mistake. Step 3. Add overall dimensions. Now let's add overall building dimensions. Click on the outermost walls and place a larger dimension line. Let's select here and the last wall. Okay. What you need to do is to edit this dimension and increase the fonts. Right click, edit type, duplicate. Now the text size. Let's use 1.9. You can decide to change the color if you wish. Click OK. Alright, we have it here. Then select it, create similar. Let's dimension this other side. Let's dimension here. Okay, we are done with that. This gives a clear understanding of total building size. If you skip the video of how we modeled this building from scratch and how we furnished it, I'll leave the link in the description section so you can watch it and follow along. If there is any way you do not understand, leave it in the comment section. I will attend to it. And if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it with others to benefit from it. Step 4. Add text annotations. Go to Annotate, Text. Click anywhere and type the labels. Here we have plus 150. Okay. Now you can select the text and edit it. Select it, edit type, change the color. Let's change to transparent. Then let's reduce the size. We'll also change the font. Click OK. Right click, create similar, add another one, plus 300 plus 450. You can use the text tool and add any label of your choice. And note, if you're working long hours, comfort matters a lot. That's why I recommend this adjustable laptop stand and this 8-in-1 USB hub. This improves your posture and give you more connectivity, especially useful when working with multiple devices. Step 5. Add tags, the doors and the windows tags. Go to Annotate, tag all. Check the doors and the windows. Apply. You can see it, we have it here. Now we need to edit it. Head over to your project browser, family, annotation symbols. Let's start with the Windows tags. Here's the Windows tags, edit. Now we are going to reduce this. Let's use the offset tool. Let's offset 1.5. Now delete this one. Select the text, edit type. You can change the color here. Then the text font, you can change it. The text size, you can change it also. Let's use 1.8. Click OK. Load into project. Overwrite existing version and parameters. Okay, this looks better. Let's do the same thing for the door tags. Scroll down to door tags, select it, edit. Let's offset 1.5. Delete these ones. Now you can adjust this. Select the text, edit type. You can change the color as well. The font, let's replace it. Now the text size, let's use 1.8. Make it bold. Click OK. Load into project. Now let's adjust the placement. Select it, adjust it, move close to the window. Do the same thing here. If you want to change the orientation, click here. Let's change to vertical. Adjust it. The same thing here. Do the same thing for the doors. Now we are going to edit it. Select this. Let's have D1. Okay. This is the D2. Okay, we have the D3. Then for the windows, select it. Let's have W1. Okay. This is W2. W3. This helps identify elements clearly in your drawings. If you don't know how to convert 2D floor plans to 3D in Revit, I have got you covered. I made a video on how to convert this plan to a render ready 3D. I'll leave the link in the description. Step 6. Add room tags. Go to architecture, click on room, click inside the space. We have the room here. Click inside here too. Do the same thing for all the spaces. Now let's edit it. To adjust the position, click on this move icon, drag it to adjust it. Let's have here the entrance. Here's the living room. We have the dining. Now each room is labeled properly. Very important for presentation. Always ensure to keep your projects safe and organized. That's why I recommend this Seagate portable 1TB external hard drive. Revit files can be large. Having backup storage prevents losing your works. Step 7. Organize and clean up. Now adjust spacing between dimensions. Let's check this. Make sure it's equally spaced. Let's adjust this. Edit family. Select it. Let's use 1.5. Click OK. Okay, it's better now. Align your text properly. Keep everything neat. This is what makes your drawing looks professional. If you want a smoother and more professional workflow in Revit, these tools will make a big difference. We have the Logitech MX Master 3X, super precise control for detailed work. We have the Dell XPS 15, powerful for modeling and multitasking. We have the Asus ROG, great for rendering and heavy projects. We have the screen bar monitor light. This reduces eye strain during long sessions. The LG Ultra Wide monitor. This gives you more space to work efficiently. These are not just upgrades. They actually help you work faster, reduce stress, and improve accuracy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. And if this helped you, you can support the channel with the thanks button below. Every little bit helps in making more tutorials like this. You can also check out the tools in the description to support the channel. In the next video, I'll show you how to create sheets and print your drawings professionally in Revit. See you in the next video.